Every day, even non-IT people are learning programming as a hobby to innovate in their field. Python can be your first step into the programming world. Before we dive into the language, let's have a small introduction to Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted, object-oriented programming language developed by Guido van Rossum. It is used in different areas like web development, software development, artificial intelligence, system scripting, etc. But why did they name a programming language Python?
Let me answer that. When implementing Python, Guido van Rossum was also reading the published scripts from Monty Python's Flying Circus, a BBC comedy series from the 1970s. Van Rossum thought he needed a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious, so he decided to call the language Python.
Well, that's interesting to know. Let's start our journey in Python by following the tradition of printing "Hello World." Type print "Hello World," this code will do the work. That's the small introduction. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to get more content like this.